everyone, welcome back to Wheeloscopy. If you love compact vehicles that completely change the way we think about travel, mobility, and everyday adventure, today's video is going to surprise you. Honda has officially unveiled the new next-generation 2026 Honda N-Box camper. And this tiny boxy machine is proving once again that size is not everything. Let's take a deep look at what makes this K-sized camper one of the most exciting unveils of the year. At first glance, the 2026 Honda N-Box camper stays true to its iconic tall and boxy silhouette, but everything feels sharper, cleaner, and more modern. The upright design is not just for style. It maximizes interior space, which is the whole philosophy behind the N-Box. The front now features redesigned LED headlights, a cleaner grille layout, and a more confident road presence despite its compact footprint. Still looks friendly, but there's a stronger, more premium character this time around. Step inside, and this is where the N-Box camper truly shines. Honda has completely reworked the interior to feel more open, more practical, and more comfortable for real-world camping. The flat floor design creates impressive headroom, making it easy to move around even for taller occupants. The rear seating area transforms effortlessly into a sleeping space, offering a surprisingly comfortable bed setup for 1 or 2 people. It's not just a gimmick, it's genuinely usable. The camper setup includes smart modular elements such as foldable seats, removable cushions, and clever storage compartments tucked into every corner. Honda has used light-colored materials and large windows to make the cabin feel airy and bright. Optional curtains and privacy shades turn the N-Box into a cozy mini bedroom when parked for the night. Up front, the dashboard has been modernized with a digital instrument display and an updated infotainment screen that supports smartphone connectivity. Controls are simple and intuitive, exactly what you want on long drives or quick city trips. The driving seats are comfortable and upright, providing excellent visibility, which is a huge advantage in urban traffic and narrow roads. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda N-Box camper continues with Honda's efficient K-Class engine lineup, optimized for better fuel economy and smoother performance. While it's not built for speed, it delivers exactly what it promises: reliable, quiet, and stress-free driving. Some markets may also see mild hybrid assistance, further improving efficiency and reducing emissions. One of the biggest strengths of the N-Box camper is how easy it is to live with. It fits into tight parking spaces, handles city streets effortlessly, and still transforms into a weekend adventure vehicle within minutes. Whether you're heading to a campsite, a beach parking spot, or simply taking a break during a long road trip, this camper adapts to your lifestyle. Safety has not been overlooked either. The 2026 model comes equipped with the latest Honda sensing features, including collision mitigation braking, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and improved pedestrian detection. For a vehicle of this size, that's seriously impressive. What makes the 2026 Honda N-Box camper special is its philosophy. It's not trying to be a massive luxury motorhome. Instead, it focuses on freedom, simplicity, and smart design. It's perfect for solo travelers, couples, urban explorers, or anyone who wants the camper lifestyle without the hassle of a large vehicle. So, is this the future of compact camping? Honda seems to think so, and honestly, it's hard to argue. The new next-generation 2026 Honda N-Box camper proves that innovation isn't about getting bigger, it's about getting smarter. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Wheeloscopy for more exciting automotive reveals coming your way.